Hello, wonderful people. It's TN Media Hub. Let's have a little chat, just us. Have you ever noticed how our bodies seem to be writing a new story as we get older? One day you're lifting grocery bags without a second thought, and the next you feel a little twinge, a little less power in your arms. It's a common chapter for people over 60. This change is often due to sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss. It can make us feel a bit wobbly, less confident on our feet. But that's not our final story. It's completely normal to feel this way. Our bodies have carried us through so much. Careers, raising families, countless joys, a few heartaches too. They deserve our gratitude and care now more than ever. So what are these secret ingredients for nighttime muscle repair? They're not secret at all. 3 wonderful vitamins that work while we rest. Magnesium, vitamin D, and zinc. The first one, magnesium. Think of magnesium as the great relaxer. It's crucial for over 300 biochemical reactions and helps muscles relax after they contract. As we age, getting enough magnesium becomes even more critical. When our muscles can fully relax at night, it paves the way for deeper repair, reducing nighttime cramps and stiffness. Next up, vitamin D, often called the sunshine vitamin. For those in places where the sun plays hide and seek, getting enough vitamin D can be a real challenge. This vitamin is absolutely essential for muscle function. It helps our bodies absorb calcium for bone health, and it directly impacts muscle strength and performance. Studies show healthy vitamin D levels linked to better muscle power and lower fall risk in older adults. Taking it in the evening can support the body's natural repair cycles, helping muscles rebuild stronger. The final member of our nighttime trio is zinc. Zinc is like the foreman on a construction site. It oversees the building and repairing. This mighty mineral plays a vital role in protein synthesis, creating new muscle tissue. When we sleep, our body produces growth hormone, which signals the need for repair. Making this trio a part of your life is easier than you might think. Let's start with food, because nature always provides. A wonderful dose of magnesium, a handful of almonds, a few squares of dark chocolate, a warm bowl of oatmeal, pumpkin seeds sprinkled on top, leafy greens like spinach, a small side salad with dinner. These aren't drastic changes, just small, delicious additions to the meals you already enjoy. Think of it as adding a little extra love to your plate each day. When it comes to vitamin D, getting it from food can be a bit trickier, but it's not impossible. Fatty fish, salmon, fatty fish, mackerel. Make one of these part of your dinner rotation. Fortified foods are also your friends here. Dairy milk, almond milk, fortified. Soy milk, fortified. Orange juice with vitamin D, fortified cereals, a cozy cup of warm fortified milk before bed. For zinc, lentils, chickpeas, beans, a hearty lentil soup for dinner, lean meats, chicken, lean meats, turkey. This is where a high-quality supplement can be a reliable partner. I want you to remember something incredibly important. It is never, ever too late to get stronger. Your age is not a barrier. It is a badge of honor. Every wrinkle, every gray hair tells a story of a life lived, of wisdom gained. Our journey now is about ensuring our physical strength matches our inner resilience. Taking these small steps, like incorporating these vitamins into your nightly routine, is an act of empowerment. It is a declaration that you are in charge of your health and that you are committed to living your life with as much vitality and joy as possible. You are worth this effort. Think of each night as an opportunity. While you rest and recharge your mind, you are also giving your muscles the tools they need to rebuild. You will wake up feeling not just more rested, but progressively stronger over time. Let's embrace this beautiful chapter with open arms and strong bodies. You've got this. Before we say goodnight, I want to invite you to take the next step on your journey to strength and well-being. Remember, you're not alone. There's a whole community of amazing women just like you, embracing this new chapter with courage and confidence. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel. By joining us, you'll stay inspired with practical tips, support, and motivation every week. Don't forget to share this video with a friend who might need a little encouragement too. Sometimes, all it takes is a gentle nudge to start something wonderful. And if you're looking for even more resources, visit our website, link in the description below, for guides, free downloads, a community forum where you can connect with other strong, vibrant people, all interested in living the best of their lives. Together we can keep growing, learning, and lifting each other up. I'm so glad you're here. Cheers to a wonderful and more muscular you.